What is up, guys, and welcome to the Capitalist Investor YouTube channel, back with another video. And today's video is on how to invest $100. This is just a quick video with some tips of how if I had $100, would start investing today. First of all, I would pay off any high interest debt. Make sure that's paid off before you even start investing. If you've got some high interest debt, and I'm talking, above 3-4%, pay it off. Don't even bother start investing. Pay off your debt, because whatever you earn on, investing may not even cover that high interest debt. And therefore, it's better to pay that off as soon as you can, get rid of all the interest on there, and then start to invest. Secondly, do not invest if you do not have an emergency fund. An emergency fund is some money that you should have put aside. So just in case the investment falls through or you need some money quickly, because sometimes investments are not very liquid, you should have an emergency fund. Typically, I'm talking a couple of months worth of expenses before you even start about investing. Now, okay, you've ticked both of those boxes, no high interest debt, and you've got an emergency fund. Now we can start investing. And what I would suggest, if a lot of you are beginners, is invest in a free platform like Robinhood, or if you're in the UK, Free Trade, which is what I use and you can see on some of my other videos. And what you want to do is look for some passive investments that you don't necessarily need to research. So, for instance, an index fund or ETF. These invest in hundreds of stocks in one of the funds, so you don't have to do the research to look at, one company and what its financial statements look like, etc. You can save yourself all that time. You just pick an index fund. There will be a small charge from that index fund, but it will track those hundreds of companies, and it could be, you could track the FTSE 100, the S&P 500, emerging markets, for instance. Pick one that suits you, and the fund will do everything for you, and it will track those stocks and will pay out its income through distributions back to you. And relatively low risk, because it's diversifying your portfolio, but also typically these returns that these index funds and ETFs generate are sufficient for someone starting off with $100. Remember, guys, that $100 should just be your starting out. And actually, that compounding effect, when dividends start coming in, you reinvest, you put some more money in, that real initial investment of $100 to get started could grow into something great. And hopefully, that's what's going to happen. I would suggest, if you're a beginner, that's how you start off. And I don't want to go into much more detail than that, because this is really a beginner's guide to investing $100. So that's it for today's video. If you've liked what you've heard, give us a like. Please let us know in the comments down below what you'll be doing, or if you wish to know more information on these. And until next time, peace.